Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I used to contact this old man quite often. Yeah. Yeah. Good signal. Yeah, it's 59. In fact, I don't know why I give him 58, but it's 59. Yeah, big signal. And the problem with this kind of receiver, when the signal is really too strong, there is a tendency of overloading for the RX signal. But yeah, a good signal. I used to contact this old man quite often. Yeah, it's very slow. Generally, with this kind of traffic, QSO, most of the guys are very slow. There is no rush. We have time, and we are going very slow speed and so on. But it's good because it's good for beginner. This kind of traffic or QSO is good also for beginner. For beginner to take their chance to contact us because we are not going to for high speed. It's a very reasonable speed. I don't know what my speed. I think is below 15 words per minute, definitely. But okay, good, all good. Yeah, my best 73.